Shiny card collector. Back with another pack of white flare. Let's see what we get. Oh, wasn't meant to see that. Let's pretend we didn't see it. So we have, oh, fighting energy. Nice. Gotharita. Shelmet with the Cara Blast in the background. Pansear. Dino. Livani. Hilda. Swoobat. Boldor. Patrat. And the final card is Chandelure. It's a pretty card. Anyway, guys, if you want to see more from Shiny Card Collector, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll catch you all later. Have a good one. Bye-bye.